Hi, thank you for being here. Let me take a moment to share a little about who we are and what we do. We are a company that supplies metalworking machinery. The core belief of our company is to do our work properly and support our customers the best we can. The journey started in 1983 from a second floor shop lot to a bigger warehouse space. And as time went by, the team grew, the workload grew, and the space grew, evolving into today's 3-story warehouse and operations. Today, more than 20 technicians and 62 team members working together. Many have been with us for years, quietly doing what they do best, keeping machines running and customers supported. Over the years, Hasil Karya has become the service provider of choice for more than 4,000 companies. That trust means a lot and is something we never take lightly. To keep things consistent and accountable, since year 2011, ISO is part of how our operations are managed, from internal processes to customer support. And for customers who want to see before deciding, we have a showroom filled with machines where you can view, compare, and understand more. We work with many reliable and well-known machine brands all over the world that have proven themselves over time. This is because of their reliability, durability, and suitability for long-term use. Behind the scenes, the warehouse operates as an in-house repair workshop and also a place where we can give training to our technicians. On top of that, there's an in-house bandsaw blade producing center. Our welding machine is from Germany Ideal and coils are from Germany Eberle. This ensures quality, consistency, and short lead time. In production, downtime is expensive, and waiting for the parts is the last thing anyone wants. That's why over 1,000 types of machine spare parts are kept ready in stock, so support can be on hand sooner instead of relying on incoming shipments. For more delicate works, a dedicated laser head repair room is set up for detailed checks and repairs. With the right tools and environment, shorten customers' fiber laser cutting machine downtime. Ready stock machine inventory is also maintained, so customers don't have to wait longer than necessary to get started. For us, a machine sale is never the end of the relationship. From selection and installation to after-sales service, we stay involved and continue to support our customers as their business grows. We may not be the best, but always responsible. A better choice for teams that value responsive support and people who do things right. Thank you for taking the time to get to know us. We look forward to support your journey.